Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys 4 cute short kurtis that I got from Amazon under rupees 1000. These are all super duper cute. They can all be worn on a daily basis. This however I'll probably not wear on a daily basis. This is a super cute kurti and I'll probably wear this out with my sister someday. But yeah, they are mostly stuff that you can wear on a daily basis because they are all very comfy and perfect for the summer. So if that is something that interests you, this is the video for you. So if you are interested, let's get into the video. But before we do that, I have to remind you guys to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed this particular video, and if you like my videos in general, consider subscribing to my channel. So yeah, let's get into the video now. Starting off with this chicken curry short kurti. The pink color is absolutely my favorite. I absolutely love the white and pink combo. It is such a beautiful color. The clothing is made up of rayon, but it's very comfortable, airy and breathable. It's not going to stick to your skin. It's not uncomfortable on your skin. It's not sticky either. I love the length. It has 2 cuts on the sides. I got it in a size medium and it fits me perfectly. You can style this for special occasions, plazzos and a dupatta, or wear it with a jeans for a more casual look. At the price, it's really good. The only problem is it gets wrinkled super easily. Next up is this beautiful white kurti with golden threadwork embroidery on the bust and on the sleeves. I love this one as well. This one is made up of cotton and it's very comfortable, airy and breathable, not sticky at all and not itchy either. I love the sleeve design. It has a little bit of a bell look to it, and it is kind of a little bit of a short anarkali with a frock kind of a look to it. I absolutely love short kurtis with this structure. This is another kurti that you can style for both special occasions and for daily wear. You can style this kurti with heavy jewelry and a colorful pair of trousers with a dupatta for a very special occasion kind of look. Next up is this short kurti. This one is made up of 100% cotton as well, and it's very airy and breathable, not itchy at all. It's not sticky either. It's very comfortable on the skin. It reduces the amount of sweat that sticks to your body. I love the design. It has kind of a Pathan kurta look to it, but it is short. You can also style this kurti like a top. You can tuck it inside your structured trousers and give it a very professional look, or wear it like a kurti, whatever you want. I got it in a size medium and it fits me perfectly. At the price, it's amazing. This kurti is more of a daily wear kind of kurti that you can wear on a regular basis. Next up is another cotton printed kurti. I love the color and the print of this one. It's made up of cotton as well, and it's very airy and breathable, very comfortable on the skin, not itchy at all. I got it in a size medium as well and it fits me perfectly. The only problem is whenever I come across a kurti with this structure, it doesn't really look very flattering on my body. This type of kurtis are more for girls with flatter chest. It looks a bit weird on my body type, so I will be returning this one. But I absolutely love the color and I'll be getting another short kurti in this maroon color very soon. But if it suits your body type though, go for it because it looks really amazing. So guys, that was it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching it and benefited from it. If you have any other video suggestions or requests, comment that down below and I'll try to make a video on that, and I will see you guys in my next. Till then, take care. Bye bye.